Hi everyone, today is part 2. Dear mother, why art thou so sad? Dear mother, why art thou so sad? Dearest son, I may not tell thee. But he let her have no rest until she went and unlocked the room and showed him the 12 coffins ready filled with shavings. And she says, your father has the coffins made for thee and the 11 brothers. For if I bring a little girl into the world, you are all to be killed and buried in them. You are all to be killed and buried in them. And she wept while she were saying this. And the son comforted her and said, Weep not. We will save ourselves and go hence. But she said, Go forth into the forest, and let one sit constantly on the highest tree. We can foul, keep watch, and look into toward a tower here. And look into toward the tower here, in castle. If I give birth a little son, if I give birth to a little son, I will put up a white flag, and then. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, and good luck to you all. Bye bye.